Right, we're just going to have a look at the notes in the first 3 frets of the guitar and naming the full notes, no sharps and no flats. The open top string is an E, and this is exactly the same as the bottom string, which is an E. So the notes on this string follow the notes on the bottom string. So this is an F, this is a G, and this is an F, and this is a G. We have E, F, G, A, B, C, D open, E, F, G open, A, B open, C, D, E open, F and G. F 3rd fret, and if you've done your F chord, that's where your F starts, and on the C note, that's where your C starts, and on your D note, that's where your D chord starts. With G, the 3rd fret of the E string, that is the first note of the G chord. When you play an E chord, this top note is an E, you play that open, that's your root, and your bottom string open is also an E. So you have an E open, you have an F, which is the 1st fret of the E string, you have a G, which is the 3rd fret of the E string, you have an A open, you have a B, which is the 2nd fret of the A string, you have a C, which is the 3rd fret of the A string, you have D open, you have an E, which is the 2nd fret of the D string, you have a F, which is the 3rd fret of the D string, you have a G open, you have an A, which is the 2nd fret of the G string, you have a B open, you have a C, which is the 1st fret of the B string, you have a D, which is the 2nd fret of the B string, you have an E open, you have a F on the 1st fret of the E string, and you have a G, which is the 3rd fret of the E string. They are the whole notes of the first 3 frets of the guitar.